Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ksenia and in this video I want to start a new coloring book. It's Mythic World by Kerby Rosanes. I'm so glad to have this book because Kerby is one of my favorite artists. I love his style of drawing and I have a lot of ideas about this book. I can't wait to start it. There are so many gorgeous illustrations in this book, so it's hard to choose which one color first. In the end of the book we have information about all myths and also some little pictures, which is good to try in different mediums on these pages. I think I will start from the first page because it's simple and it's good for trying some mediums on this page. I want to try watercolor. It's Medusa, so let's get started. So let's take a look at the result, and I will tell you about what mediums I used. So here she is. I think she looks pretty cool. No, she's scary, but it's Medusa. She must be scary, I guess. I love it. I used muted colors to make it look like a stone. I really enjoyed the process. I love to color Kerby's books. I don't remember when I colored Kerby last time. I think it was long time ago, so I missed him. For this page I used watercolor and also pencils to add more details and shadows. As the base color I used chrome oxide by Rosa. Rosa is our Ukrainian brand of paints. For the shadows I used black-green, also by Rosa. I wrote the names of pigments so you can find some similar colors in the other brand of watercolor if you want. For the background around Medusa I use mixture of chrome oxide by Rosa and dusk yellow by Van Gogh. And then I did some afterwork with pencils. I use Marco Tribute pencils, but again, if you want, you can find some similar colors in any other set of pencils. So I used slate gray for the deep shadows. It looks like some greenish gray color. Also a little bit black. It's Giota's Nova pencil. Olive green and bronze green. These two I used on the background around Medusa and a little bit on the left side of her face. And some muted cool green. It's Giota pencil. This green I used on the right side of the Medusa face. To make it look more interesting, I decided to do one side of the face warm and other side more cool. I don't know if you can see this on camera. And also I colored one more little illustration. It's the crystals. If you want to see how I colored this page, please let me know in the comments below. Also, if you want to see more videos about this book, let me know in the comments. I have a lot of ideas. Nothing bleeds through, maybe just a little bit. Here also nothing bleeds through. So I think you can use watercolor in this book. I think it's nice paper to use different mediums. So there was my first completed pages in the Mythic World. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Sending you a lot of hugs and love from Ukraine. It's hard times for all of us, but we stay strong. Keep coloring because art and creativity helps in difficult moments. See you in the next video.